Hey guys, my name is Jennifer, and welcome to my virtual paint party. If you are a first-time painter, you've never done something like this before, then this is the perfect class for you because I walk you through everything you need to know, from what brushes to use, how to mix your paint for each painting, and at the end you're gonna have a wonderful finished masterpiece. The great thing about me being able to come to you virtually is you can go at your own pace. So if you missed something I said, you can rewind and watch it again. If you wanna take a little bit longer on a step, you can pause. So it's an excellent way to have fun from the comfort of your own home. I am really excited to get painting with all of you virtually, so let's get started.